To watch all our videos, click subscribe, click on the bell icon and click all. Now navigate to the settings of your mobile phone. Go to apps and notifications. Notifications. YouTube, and make sure all the options on the right are turned on. Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we will learn about various styles of Kannada language. Now, this is the map of Karnataka, and Kannada is the language that is spoken in Karnataka. But there are many variations of Kannada language. If you go to Uttara Kannada, Uttara Kannada district, now these are the districts, different districts in Karnataka. And if you go to Uttara Kannada district and if you see or notice the Kannada spoken here, it will be different from the Kannada that is spoken in Dakshin Kannada. Dakshin Kannada. If you notice the Kannada that is spoken here, and if you notice the Kannada that is spoken here, both will be different. Not entirely, not 100%, but most of the language, the accent, the style will be different. If you go to Gulbarga, the style of Kannada will be different from what you see here, here and here. Now we'll take an example and we'll see what I mean. I won't come. I won't come is Nanu Baruvudilla. Nanu Baruvudilla in pure Kannada. Nanu Baruvudilla. Nanu is I. Won't come is Baruvudilla. But then there are these many variations of Kannada language. Nanu Barudilla. Barudilla. Nanu Barudilla. Or Na Barudilla. Na Barudilla. Or Na Baralla. Baralla. Or Nanu Baralla. Baralla. Or Na Barangilla. Barangilla. Or Na Battilla. Battilla. Now this is last one is Kundapura Kannada. Kundapura Kannada. Generally it is spoken here. Here. And the Kundapura Kannada, most of the people cannot understand. Most of the people cannot understand. But the people in Kundapura can understand all these, all the other variants. Now, all these mean I won't come, and all these are right too. But then they vary according to the place in which they are used. In some place they use this, in some place they use this, in some place they use this, and so on. So you cannot stick to one and use it everywhere. Sometimes people may come to know that you are not from that particular place. Now in this course which I am teaching, I will teach you the Kannada that is easy to speak and that which can be understood by everyone. I won't be teaching you 100% Kannada, because 100% pure Kannada may be difficult for you as a foreigner to learn, or it may take some time for you to learn it. So I'm going to teach you a Kannada which is easy to use and speak and which can be understood by people in various cities or various places. Okay, few more examples. Okay, I have, I have in pure Kannada is nanna hattira ide, ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಇದೆ. All right. Now these are the different variations of this, and these vary according to the place that you are in. All right. First variation is nan hatra ide. All right. They have shortened nanna to nan. Nanna to nan. Hattira to hatra. Hatra. Ide is ide itself. Okay. Nan hatra ide, which also means I have. Nanna hatra ide. Nanna hatra ide. So nanna they have kept it as it is. Hattira is reduced to hatra. Ide is ide itself. Nan hatra ide, which also means I have. Okay. Nanna hatra untu. Nanna hatra untu. Nanna is same nanna. Hattira is reduced to hatra, and instead of ide they have used, or people use, untu. Untu and ide both are same, and they change according to the place that you are in. Okay. Nan hatra untu also means I have. Nan hatra unt. Nan hatra unt. So nanna is reduced to nan. Hattira is reduced to hatra. Untu is shortened to unt. So nan hatra unt. That also means I have. Nan hatra or nannatra it. Nannatra it. Nanna hattira is reduced to nannatra, or it is merged and reduced, I can say. Both words are merged together and reduced to nannatra. Ittu instead of ide. Instead of ide, it is used. All right. And there can also be matching of nan and hattira. So you can say nan hattira ide, or nan hattira untu, or nan hattira it, or nan hattira unt. Nanna hattira ide, or nanna hattira untu, or nanna hattira it. So that is also possible. So in a place, in a single place, you may find people speaking all these. Okay. Some family may use this, some family may use this, some family may use this. Or in different cities, you will find different variations of Kannada language. But all those mean the same thing, I have. Okay. And next example, it is good. It is good. To say it is good, in Kannada you can say channagide. Channagide, which is proper Kannada. Okay. For good we have different words in Kannada, and once again it varies from place to place where you use it. Where you use it, you can say olle ide, which means it is good, or olle untu, which means it is good. Olle dide, which also means it is good. Chalo untu, which also means it is good. Chalo ಚಲೋ ಇತ್, it is good. Like it, which also means it is good. Okay, so you have different word. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಇದೆ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಉಂಟು, ಒಳ್ಳೆದಿದೆ, ಚಲೋ ಉಂಟು, ಚಲೋ ಇತ್ತು, like it. So all these mean the same thing, which is it is good. So you will find different variations of Kannada in different places. Okay, click subscribe, click on the bell icon and click on all to get notified when we post a new video. If you want to watch more videos, click on the channel and click on playlists and follow any playlist that you want.